literally had no idea that this little $10 pack of synthetic bundles was finna eat like this. Hey y'all, so today I'm going to be doing a quick weave, and I saw this sunset curl hair by Organique at the beauty supply store, and I just knew I needed it. The curls are kind of giving me like a water wave, loose curly, and a sprinkle of ocean wave all in one. Now if you didn't know, I only have 2 bites of hair on my head, so the prep for my quick weaves are usually pretty easy. I just section off my edges and leave out to begin the molding process, and I do go in with the Eco Styler gel to slick down the rest of my hair before I put the wig cap on. And I'm just using a regular stocking wig cap, like the ones that you get from the hair store for like 2 for $1 or 2 for $2. Really nothing fancy. Now this hack that I've been doing since I just found out about it on TikTok is cutting out the ear holes, and this helps so much for me to get the wig cap as flat as possible, because before I was just putting it over my ears and I could not get the ends to stay tacked down, but cutting out the ear holes in the quick weave makes things so much easier. After I apply my protective shield, I immediately follow it with blow drying it, and I was probably blow drying the hair for probably a good 10 minutes just to make sure that the cap was fully dry. Now when it comes to laying the tracks, the bundles themselves I feel like didn't have a lot of hair in it, but I did know that I wanted this hair to be super full. So I have a tiny head, so in order to fit as much hair in my head as possible, I do double the tracks, which is just stacking them, and I place them super close together. Like when I tell you the tracks are basically right on top of one another, there's no space or gaps between them because I really wanted this hair full, so I was gonna put it in by any means necessary. Now at this point I have about 2 bundles in my hair, and I started using the 3rd pack. In terms of track placement, because I have the tiniest bit of leave out and my hair is super fine, I am going to do an invisible part near my leave out, because I feel like when I do this you can have as little hair out as possible and it still gives you full coverage. And to do this, you're essentially cutting little tiny pieces off the weft and placing them right on top of each other in a vertical motion. And when you stack it like this, I'll show y'all, but it's gonna just basically look like it's coming out the scalp, and this is before your leave out is even covering it. And you want to take your time doing this, like really make the tracks super close together. The closer the better. Yeah, it may seem like it's taking a while, but it'll be worth it. And you also want to make sure that you are blow drying every single track that you put on your head. Like I know some people probably don't blow dry it as much as me, but I need that extra security, and I need to make sure that that hair is in, so I blow dry it after every time I put a track down. But this is what it was looking like after I installed all 3 packs. I wasn't feeling the curls fresh out of the pack, so I literally brushed the heck out of this hair, and I feel like that's truly what brought it to life. Like making the hair big and fluffy and bushy has made me fall in love with it. So at this point I've been wearing this quick weave, sorry if there's an echo y'all, but at this point I've been wearing this quick weave for about 4 days now, and it's still so cute. Literally every night I just twist it in like 4 big twists, and then in the morning I undo the twist, get my Demdum brush, sorry this thing is dirty, and just brush out the curls. And I feel like the more aggressive you are with the brushing, the more natural this hair looks. Like do not get this hair and then just glue the tracks in and think it's gonna look like this. It's not gonna look like this. You have to brush these curls out for it to do what you want it to do. And I think it's just so cute. It just gives me wand curl, loose wand curl. This might be my new favorite like quick weave hair, and I feel like with a flip over, this hair would probably be so cute. I was initially going to do a flip over, but my edges are still recovering and in recovery, and the idea of having to put heat on it every other day or however often I needed to just seemed too much. So I was like, let me just opt for a regular side part. I only got to worry about this little bit of leave out, and that alone is stressing me. Now don't put this in expecting it's gonna be in your head for months. This is not what this is. This is synthetic hair. It will tangle, it will mat up, it will do all the things that synthetic hair does. But I feel like if you are good at maintaining your hair and wrapping it up at night, you can get you a good solid 2 weeks of wear from this. I almost got this hair in 24 inches, but I'm glad that I got the 18, because the 18 is definitely more my speed. It falls to like right here. I feel like the 24 inches would have been too overstimulating. It probably still would have been super pretty, but yeah. It's getting to the point in the install where the hair is kind of dulling out because it's getting kind of like, not tangly, but it is drying out because it's synthetic hair. And I feel like at this point, the curls are really starting to shine. Because initially, I wasn't feeling it. I feel like it was a little too shiny. But in my mind, I was like, okay, it's not going to stay shiny forever because it does dull up and get a little drier with age and time. So I was like, let me wait on it. And now I feel like it's at the perfect stage, just dull enough to kind of give a natural luster. And I'm really glad that I got it in a color 2. I feel like a 1B would have been too dark for me. This 2 just gives like natural virgin hair. A 2 or a 4? A 4 probably. I might run this back in a color 4. Let's put the back. I feel like it would be cute. You could probably do like do a low pony. Actually, I feel like a ponytail would probably eat if I took my time and did all the things. Oh yeah, that's definitely cute. Yeah, I like that. Anyways, I'm done rambling. I just wanted y'all to see this quick little hairstyle I did on myself. Thanks for watching. Let me know if y'all try it. And also let me know what hairstyles I should try next. I'm open to all colors, shapes, textures, and vibes. But I'll catch y'all next time. Bye!